In a democracy, when you ignore people's sentiment and faith and only pretend to be an environmentalist, only when a Hindu festival comes, I would call that as selective activism.
You know, I'm very worried, extremely worried on how year after year the air quality only seems to be getting worse. We are this time around, because of the floods, stubble burning has not even begun. We are already in the poor category. What has changed in the past 5 years that the government had to go and ask the Supreme Court to allow crackers at all? It only brings down by barely 30%. That's if it's implemented. That's if it's the right green cracker. There are so many riders when it comes to this. I'm really struggling to understand how this will be implemented.
Okay, so first of all, thank you for calling me today, and good evening to all my fellow panelists also. So first, let's look at this entire firecracker, activism in a selective, hypocritical manner. In a democracy, when you ignore people's sentiment and faith and only pretend to be an environmentalist, only when a Hindu festival comes, I would call that as selective activism, not an environmentalism, love or whatever for that matter. Secondly, you spoke about pollution. The Delhi crackers cause only actually lesser than 7% of the total pollution caused by the industries, the vehicle pollution, the stubble burning. So this decision of the Supreme Court is a balance, and I'll tell you in points how it is a balanced decision and why government went for the green cracker. Now, I'll begin with number one. One is that this decision balances both faith and fundamental rights, because it recognizes that no matter how much you ban, you put how much ever the policies that you want to, people are not going to follow because they deserve to celebrate their festival in this country, which is a fundamental right under Article 25. But they also deserve access to a clean air, as you rightly mentioned. So the court balanced it and said, okay, I'm going to specify a timeline in which you can burn these crackers in the morning from 6 to 7, 6 to 8, and in the evening 8 to 10. And let's just balance both. So it did not choose in selective activism or selective outrage. It called, and then it focused on.
Can I point out? You said it's only for Hindus. Since when the ban is by the Supreme Court? It was all year long. I know. From 2020 when they intervened, it was all year round. It was not specifically for Diwali. Yeah. It was not specifically for anything else. They said complete ban all year round. So nobody is getting after Hinduism.